issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Porter County in northwestern Indiana, Northern Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 6 p.m. At 5:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Gary, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 to 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Hammond, Gary, Portage, Merrillville, Valparaiso, East Chicago, Cherville, Hobart, Lansing, Crown Point, Highland, Munster, Chesterton, Griffith, Dyer, St. John, Lake Station, Linwood, South Haven, and Whiting. Including the following interstates: Indiana Interstate 80 between mile markers 1 and 16. Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 3 and 37. Indiana Interstate 94 between mile markers 16 and 32. Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 251 and 261. This includes Indiana University Northwest, Purdue University Northwest Hammond, Valparaiso University, Indiana Motor Speedway, Indiana Dunes State Park, Porter County Fairgrounds, and South Shore Rail Cats Baseball. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe thunderstorm